Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to link a device on WhatsApp so you can use two different phones with one account. So the first thing I want to do is go over to chats on my main phone, then go to the top right and go to where it says the three little dots and go to link devices right here. Now just set this up on our first phone. Let's go over to the Google Play Store and go to open. Then we want to go to continue. I just logged out. Then you can see like English and stuff. Go to I agree, then go to allow, and once we're under this page where we can type in a phone number and stuff, go to the top right and go to the three little dots, go to link as companion device. Now with the QR code up, go to link a device, then scan your fingerprint, and then just go over it with the phone just like this, and it says logging in. You can see that, and this should display now on your first phone. So you can see that, and then it's going to be linked under this phone now. So you can see the phone as Android. So if you ever want to log it out, just go to this section, tap it, and then you can log it out right there. But this phone is going to be linked now together, and I'm using one account for two different phones. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.